Friday, everyone. I'm Ann Birchard. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I like to create crafting connections one card at a time. Today's card is the Vertical Blooms, and this is going to be a really quick one, but there are times that you just need to get in and get out with the card making. So sit back, relax. As always, all the supplies I've used are in the description box below. Enjoy the music. And there's my quick and simple card. First, don't be afraid of negative space. It adds to the design. Second, when you're drawing lines, unless you have a really steady hand, make it intentionally wavy. Decorated the envelope and the inside. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Bye.